Hi, Lori. I agree with Damien that this is creative. My only concern is that it will be a little bit hard to read this type on top of these grayish images. Consider instead making them another color instead of black, which is so close to type. You know, maybe make them a light version of this blue or even orange again. Um, I'll zoom in a second. Yeah, it's just going to be, let me zoom in here. It's easier to read over this phone because there's so many colors. But then when you get in here, if I don't know if you can tell this because you've been staring at it, but when you try to read it, your brain kind of pauses and then goes and then pauses and goes. So you don't want to make it hard on people. So I highly recommend making that a color. So otherwise, I would try to make these paragraphs as tight as possible. When you get like these little words that sort of hanging on here and they're surrounded by white space, your eye really goes to them. So you want to make these blocks as tight as possible. Also, this font size is bigger than this font size. You definitely want to pick one font size for the body copy and use that throughout. Otherwise, you want to be 100% experimental. Either way, you want to make it look deliberate. All right, those are really my main things I had to say about this. All right, let me know if you have any questions.